Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The future of electric vehicle travel just got a bit more complicated for drivers in New Jersey. In a move that's left many Tesla owners scratching their heads, the New Jersey Turnpike is ditching its partnership with Tesla to install new charging stations. That's right, folks. It looks like universal open access EV chargers are taking center stage at some of the state's most popular rest stops. Now, we know what you're thinking. Why would the Turnpike Authority make such a drastic change? Well, according to sources close to the matter, Tesla was not exactly thrilled when it heard that its charging stations were being phased out in favor of these new universal chargers. In fact, Tesla claims that the Turnpike rejected even a sweetened bid to stay as a second option. But what does this mean for drivers who rely on those Tesla Supercharger stalls? Well, let's take a look at some numbers to put things into perspective. The New Jersey Turnpike has 64 existing supercharger stalls, and unfortunately, those are all set to be decommissioned. On the other hand, Tesla claims to have built a whopping 116 new stalls off the Turnpike to replace those lost options. That's still not enough for some, though. Many drivers are left wondering how they'll manage without their preferred charging station of choice. And it's worth noting that this decision comes at a time when electric vehicle adoption is on the rise in New Jersey and beyond. But here's the thing, Tesla isn't giving up just yet. The company has taken to social media to express its disappointment with the Turnpike Authority's decision, while also hinting that it's willing to continue investing in charging infrastructure off the Turnpike. And if the NJ Turnpike or Governor Murphy want to reverse this decision, well, Tesla is more than happy to come back to the table. So there you have it, a shake-up on the New Jersey Turnpike that's left drivers of electric vehicles wondering what's next. At Electro Drive News, we'll be keeping a close eye on this story and bringing you all the latest updates as they happen.